This year, Caterpillar celebrated its 95th anniversary, and Pac-Man turned 40. So to celebrate the occasions, the two companies thought, mashup? To create the life-sized game board, the company removed roughly 6,880 cubic yards of cut-filled dirt to build a maze with 151 corners and 4-foot-tall walls. The stunt proved to show off CAT's high-tech capabilities. The original Pac-Man game board was loaded into a CAT Grade with 3D system on a 336 next-gen excavator. CAT Grade with 3D is a factory-integrated grade control system that automates blade movements on the earth movers. According to the company, it takes the human out of 80% of the equation. It also eliminates the need for stakes and grade checkers. Still, the 336 spent about 70 labor hours on the job. I kind of wanna John Henry that thing, just me and a shovel versus the 336. I think I got it. Multiple CAT dozers, wheel loaders, a 323 excavator, trucks, and water wagons also helped with the job, while running on the same system to make sure that they all followed the same plan. To represent Pac-Man and the ghosts Blinky, Inky, Pinky, and Clyde, CAT brought in 5 236D3 remote-controlled skid steer loaders. Avatars were placed atop the loaders to be seen above the maze walls. CAT then invited 5 partners and social media influencers to play the game. Now, I understand that this is all a marketing ploy, with each aspect of the game working as a metaphor for CAT products and services. But still, they carved a giant Pac-Man board out of the earth and actually played the game. And that's just cool. Personally, it's not my favorite. It just doesn't top the massive Jenga game that they built in 2014. And yes, that was an unintended pun. I mean, while it was only half of the game's Regulation 54 pieces, CAT's stacked version used earth movers to play with 27 blocks that each weighed 600 pounds. Either way, I hope they repurpose the Pac-Man into a bangin' holiday maze. I'm David Mantee. This is IEN Now.